99% of beginners don't use this Figma hack, that's why they design so slowly. Hack number 1. Instead of making a mock-up, you can directly place an image inside a shape. You can also add fill colors and customize it the way you want. It's quick and very useful. Hack number 2. If you want to cut an image from any side or make it half, don't use crop. Just press Alt and click, and you can quickly cut or adjust the image easily. Hack number 3. If you want to copy any text or image with equal spacing, hold Alt and drag to make one copy. Then Alt plus click and press the Ctrl plus D. Want more Figma shortcuts? Subscribe now.